Okay, now this is ridiculous. Hey everyone, so in a previous video, I talked about how this Fitbit band broke. It was still under warranty, and as a matter of fact, it's still under warranty. At the end of that video, I talk about how they sent me a new band. I put the new band on, and it's been working fine since then. But last week, the band here did the exact same thing again, and this is a brand new band from Fitbit. This time it broke into 3 pieces. So here's one part of it right here, here's the end of it, and there's the part that's still attached to the Fitbit Versa. Now this part right here has a little part right here that's breaking off too. So if this part came off, it would have been in 4 pieces. Now I'm not sure what's going on with Fitbit quality of band they're using, and I really don't use this Fitbit Versa for a lot of strenuous stuff. I don't swim in it, I don't take a shower in it, so the band is not really getting wet. I take it off when I'm not wearing it, and I don't know if that's taking it off and on is making the band break, but it should have some flexibility in it because it's rubber. So this time I'm not even gonna worry about trying to call Fitbit. I'm just gonna replace the band. I'm going to Amazon and buy some bands that I see on Amazon website. Now I made this video to make you aware of the Fitbit bands that actually comes from Fitbit, not a third-party manufacturer, because this is Fitbit band. It actually says Fitbit on it. I'm not sure, like I said, what's going on with their band, but the quality is very weak, and after months of using, maybe, I'm not sure how long, I can't tell you the time frame. I think the first set lasts about 3 months. And if my calculation is right, I think this is about 3, maybe 4 months before this one snapped to. I have to go back and check, but it's less than a year. My normal use is always on my hand. As a matter of fact, I look at my hand and I see this little white band around it to tell me that I hardly take my Fitbit off. So that's telling me that I'm not really doing a lot of take off and take on with the band. But even if I was taking it on and off each day, it should last at least longer than the time frame that it's breaking. So I'm not going to bother with trying to get Fitbit to replace the band anymore, because to me that's a waste of time. This is a twice in a row scenario right here, and I'm not trying to strike out. So this time I went to Amazon and I got this band set from Wepro. That's the name of the brand that I got. I'm going to try these and see how long they last. Let's see if they last longer than these Fitbit band that comes from Fitbit. And these are just some regular band. It was a set of 3 for $9.99. I got a gray, a black, and a navy blue. And it all comes together. I mean, I didn't pay extra for it. This, I'm going to put to the test to see how well they work versus these cheap Fitbit band that I get from Fitbit. Because when I had my Blaze, that band lasts, as a matter of fact, it never broke. It lasts all the way through. I donated that Fitbit Blaze to a family member, and they're still wearing it right now with the band that never broke from the time I was using it. So I don't understand what's going on here with Fitbit, but I'm kind of done with that. I'm moving on. Like I said, I got these new bands. I'm going to test these out and see if they have that durability. Of course, they advertise they're durable and blah, blah, blah. But I'm going to see. If not, I just have to keep searching. Maybe I have to switch to one of those metallic band. But I kind of like the rubber band because they're more comfortable wearing for a long period of time. You know, I like the Fitbit Versa, but this band issue thing is just getting kind of ridiculous. Like I said, it just keeps breaking. This time, like I said, it broke into 3 pieces. So they're not really working on the durability of the band. It should last more than 3 months, 4 months, 6 months. I say at least a year before it starts showing some sign of wear and tear. Okay, so that's going to be it for this video. This is an update to the bands that I got from Fitbit that broke from the previous band. Well, the new band that they're replacing with broke also, and not sure if anybody's having all of these issues with the band. I know some people had Fitbit Versa issues. I had some issues in the past, and I did some software update. Plus I changed the clock face. The Fitbit has been working great so far. I never had any issues since that last set of issues I was having. But now it's a band thing, you know. I mean, I can't get the band to work the way it should, especially from the company that make these bands themselves. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. If you're having issues like this, go and share your stories in the comments so we can talk about it. Maybe we can get the word out to Fitbit to let them know that we're not satisfied with the product as far as the band or even the software or anything else that's going on, so they can get on their ball and start making this thing better for the future. Thanks for taking the time for watching this video. I look forward to see you next time. Have a good one.